Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Beko unit supports Wi-Fi and that you're on a 2.4 GHz network. This matters because many units won't see 5 GHz. Next, open the Beko Home or designated app and create or sign into your account. Once done, grant the app location and Bluetooth permissions if prompted so it can discover the air conditioner. Now make sure the AC is powered on and set to ready mode before you attempt pairing. You now put the air conditioner into pairing mode by holding the unit's Wi-Fi button or using the remote as instructed. The LED will flash to signal readiness. Then, in the app select Add Device, pick Air Conditioner, and follow the guided steps. The app will ask for your 2.4 GHz SSID and password. Enter credentials exactly and allow the app to switch networks if it asks, because some models require a temporary direct connection to finish by waiting for the app to confirm success and for the AC's Wi-Fi indicator to become steady. That means the cloud link is established. You should immediately test core controls, power, mode, temperature, and scheduling to confirm commands travel reliably. If pairing fails, reboot the router and the air conditioner. Verify the router broadcasts 2.4 GHz and not only 5 GHz, and retry the pairing sequence. That single restart resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.